Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden YouTube channel. My name is Monika, and in this video I'm going to show you the join tool, a clever way of joining paths. Now perhaps you now say, well, I know the join tool and it's the one that throws arrows by the dozen and I never know what to select and when to use it. And perhaps you think of this one, Object, Path, Join. That's not the join tool. That's the join command. The join tool is actually in the toolbar and it's already active here, but you see it's below the shaper tool and the pencil tool. There is the join tool. And the way you use it is, well, you can select objects, but you don't need to, and then you just stroke across the things you want to join, and the join tool does the rest. So when I select these anchors, then you see those paths are actually joined, and in this case it has cut the things it doesn't need, and in this example it has extended the paths, and not just in a straight fashion, but it has tried to follow along with the curve. And then you have this result without needing to work precisely. The join tool just does the rest. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.